In today's video, we're doing a full review of Outrageous by Frederic Malle. So I purchased a number of samples from Frederic Malle a little while ago and I've been slowly going through them. This one is Outrageous. I would say the name is not appropriate. I don't understand the name. There's nothing outrageous about it whatsoever. It's a nice fragrance, but it's definitely not outrageous in any sense of the word. So I'll start off by showing the notes for this fragrance. So we've got apple, lime, grapefruit and mint, with cinnamon, neroli, orange blossom and musk, with aldehyde, cedar and amber. So I'm going to spray my hand again just to remind myself of the top notes. So what you get from the beginning of this is something very light, very fresh, very clean, musky, a little bit citrusy, and it's very mellow. It's very simplistic, easy to wear. You're going to get a little bit of this kind of clean soapiness from the neroli, you're going to get a little bit of a citrusy kind of twang, and you're going to get this aldehydic, musky, soapy quality to the fragrance. It smells a bit like laundry detergent powder, I would say, along that direction of cleanliness. It's nice, it's genuinely nice, but I think some people will find it incredibly boring. It is just a clean, fresh, musky scent that's not overly specific, which reminds you a little bit of kind of, you know, fresh laundered clothes, that kind of musky spring, fresh quality, and that's really what you get from this. In the top notes there is a subtle kind of warm cinnamon nuance, so you do get a little bit of the cinnamon note in the opening in the first 20 minutes or so. And so you do get this slightly more kind of warm feeling in the introduction of the fragrance, but it does very quickly become overtaken by this aldehydic, musky soap kind of quality. There is something that you might think of as a slight watery apple note. I wouldn't say that I pick out mint, to be honest. And yeah, I don't really get the mint. The grapefruit and the lime, it's not overly citrusy, you just get this slightly fresh kind of quality. That is it. It really doesn't change that much. It just goes on like that and disappears. It is very pleasant. I think it's completely unisex. I think it would be a nice summer, spring choice. But like I said, it might be a little bit boring for some people. But if you just want to smell fresh, clean, a little bit musky, a little bit citrusy, fruity, and just generally pleasant, like, you know, freshly washed clothing, then maybe that's all you want and this will provide that. The performance isn't that great though. I would say it sits fairly close to the skin on me, and in terms of longevity for this, I would cap it at kind of 5 to 6 hours longevity before really it's a very kind of faint, subtle skin scent. You do get the musky quality for a little bit longer, but 5 to 6 hours in longevity. There's not really much else I can describe this with. It's very simple, it's very, very easy to wear, work appropriate. In terms of the quality, like, it doesn't really blow me away, to be quite honest. I think for the price point, because you are paying Frederic Malle pricing, for this kind of fragrance, I would say maybe go with one of the MFKs. There are designer fragrances that smell nice, which give you kind of this kind of musky, fresh, clean citrus kind of vibe going on. And so, yeah, it's not one that I would go out of my way to recommend out of the Frederic Malle line. I think this one is a little bit, you know, under the average, I would say. Hope you enjoyed the video or you find it useful if you were considering this one. Yeah, let me know your thoughts if you've tried it, and I will see you soon with another video. Take care, everyone. Bye.
Old man Harlem gives me Sunday headache, but that old man Harlem keeps me rolling on.